Euler Motors launches world's first one-ton electric mini truck in Bengaluru, the Turbo EV 1000 Bengaluru, 13th October 2025. Euler Motors, a leader in the electric commercial vehicle space, announced the launch of Euler Turbo EV 1000, a one-ton 4W ECV in Bengaluru. The vehicle is engineered specifically for drivers and businesses who need a truck that can handle the city's traffic, carry heavy loads, and save on daily running costs. Priced from 5.99 lakh ex-showroom, the Turbo EV 1000 is the world's most affordable one-ton EV and delivers annual savings of 1.15 lakh rupees compared to diesel counterparts. With this, Euler Turbo EV 1000 becomes the world's first EV mini truck to offer both unmatched performance and high affordability, making it a game changer for Pune's commercial operators.
Hello, I am Rohit Gattani. I head vehicle financing at Euler Motors. We are very pleased to announce the launch of Euler Turbo EV 1000 in the city of Bengaluru. With this product, we hope to solve a lot of city problems which are there presently throughout the country. Like 42 out of 50 cities are the worst polluted globally in India. So with this product, we are not only offering the pollution factor, to reduce the pollution factor, but also in terms of operational efficiency of transporters. This has 1000 kg payload. This has real range from 140 to 180 kilometer real range as well. So all your city transports typically take 70 to 100 kilometer range. So even with 140 and 180 kilometer, they can do multiple shifts, increase their earnings as well. And even with 120 kilometer running, monthly operational saving for our customers would be from around 10 to 12,000 rupees, which is very important for their livelihood as such. It also comes with CCS2 enabled charging, which you can basically, with this CCS2 enabled charging, you can charge at any location where you can charge your cars as well. So it is a universal charger if you think like that. And then other than payload, we have also improved on our chassis as well. So this vehicle is meant to last for years and years basically, because one of the problems we understood from the market, people think that EVs, they cannot carry load, they are made from plastic frame, etc. So this has a 13% higher thick metal body as such in this case, and our chassis frame is also 2.5 mm, which is around 20% higher than even the ICE. So this vehicle is made to compete with ICE. It is not to make, because from a customer point of view, it is important to match operational efficiency as such. So with this product, I think it is going to win the markets. And if you see the electrification in four-wheeler, which is slightly lagging behind, with this product, and I think we'll be able to match the electrification rate, and we'll soon see electrification in Bengaluru as well. This vehicle in 3 variants: Turbo City, Turbo Max and Turbo Fast Charge. Turbo City starts at 5.99 lakhs, Turbo Max starts at 7.2 lakhs, and Turbo Fast Charge starts at 8.2 lakhs. And the different of the battery size, the range and the deck length varies from each variant basically. So with fast charge variant, you can charge it anywhere. You are able to do multiple shifts as well. And Turbo City and Turbo Max both are meant to service the intra-city operations as well.